This is baby with some hiccups. Oop, there we go. What happens, Catherine, is you eat too much too fast. And then you start hiccoughing. Yeah, I know. And you just have to wait for it to go away. Oh, there we go. Sometimes you're about to fall asleep, then you hiccup, and it startles you, and you wake up. Oh. I know. That's what happens. £10 today at the doctor's office. That's a 3-pound gain in 5 weeks. What an all-star. You like that? Were you pleased with that result? What did you think about the doctor today?
Your mom thought he was nice.
My mom thought he was nice, apparently. I have a word from the choir. The chorus, like in the old Shakespeare plays. Giving me a secret message that only I can hear. Whoa. The kitty cat meow. Hey, Kate. So, reflections on the past 5 weeks? Yes. Yes. Oh, yeah. No. Ooh, yeah. Favorite meal so far? That, oh yeah. Yeah, that time you ate more than 4 ounces. I think that was pretty good. Yeah. Active legs. She just loves kicking those things around. Oh, showing a little diaper there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, okay. Alright, coming after ya.